Good morning, we're over in Eccleston doing some sofa cleaning this morning. I thought I'd do a little video, not done one for a while, just show you what we're doing. Ideal time now to be getting your upholstery and carpets cleaned. The drying time's sort of in 2 to 4 hours in this weather, so we'll just show you what we've got. Our machine running in the vehicle. Go inside now, let's have a little look. Okay, so we're working at the back of the house. And we're doing this so far. As you can see, these are all done. Come up nice. These are done. Just working our way around to these now. You can see we're just going to clean these up. So yeah, so give us a shout if you need us in. Like I said, perfect weather to be getting all this done now. Our diary's filling up, so if you need a quote, just send us a picture of anything over that you need doing by Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, or just our phone number. Have a good day, everybody. Enjoy the sunshine. See you later. Bye-bye.